Hey everyone, this is Russell Sheikh and welcome back to another exciting video. Today we are talking about something that sounds complex but it's super fascinating once you get it, the neural networks. By the end of this video you will understand what they are and how they work and why they are so important. Ready? Let's dive in. Alright, so what are neural networks? Imagine them as a simplified version of the brain, the human brain. Just like our brain has billions of neurons that help us think, learn, and recognize things, a neural network is made up of artificial neurons that do same thing but instead of a computer. That artificial neurons connected in layers. There's an input layer where data comes in and one more hidden layers where the magic happens, and that is output layer where the result come out. It's like a black box that turns raw data into a useful information. How do neural network works? Here's how it works in a simple terms. Input layer. Imagine you were showing a neural networks a picture of a cat. The pixel of that picture are inputs. Each pixel carries a number based on its color, brightness, etc. Hidden layers. Now the neural network processes this data. Each artificial neurons takes some numbers, applies a formula, and pass this data to the next layer. This process happens over and over in a multiple layers. Each time refine the data. Alright, so output layers. Finally, the network says, that's a cat, or whatever it was trained to recognize. You know, the fun fact is, the neural networks don't understand image like we do. They look for patterns, aids, shape, and texture to figure things out. Training a neural networks. Now, training is where it's get interesting. You have probably heard the phrase garbage in, garbage out. Neural networks are only as good as the data we feed them. Here how its training works. Feed data. We give the networks a lot of labeled examples, for instance thousands of cats and non-cats pictures. Exhaust weights. The network tries to guess if it's cat, if it's wrong. It exhausts it with their numbers inside the neurons that help it make better guess next time. This process happens over and over until the network gets really good at recognize patterns. Well, examples of neural networks in action. You may be amazed at the where networks are used. Okay, so let's talk about it. Voice assistant, Siri, Alexa, use them to understand the voice and respond. Healthcare, they help doctors detect disease in machine and medical images like X-ray or MRIs. Gaming, neural networks help to create a smart opponent in video games. Art, ever seen AI generated paintings? That's neural networks artwork getting creative. Neural networks are the backbone of so many technologies we use daily. And guess what? This is just a beginning. In the future videos, we will explore even more color things like deep learning, which takes neural networks to the next level. If this video helped you understand neural networks a bit better, give it a thumbs up and share with someone curious about AI. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech explained in a simple way. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.